Xin chào các em, hôm nay các em mình sẽ học về cách phát âm của chữ cái. Thầy Thuận sẽ đọc trước, rồi sau đó thầy Thuận muốn các em đọc theo thầy Thuận. Rồi chuẩn bị nha. A, á, ớ, bờ, cờ, giờ, đờ, e, g, hờ, y.
Mr. T, Mr. T, Mr. T, Mr. T, Mr. T.
Các em ơi, em hồ đến nữa rồi.
Mr. T, Mr. T, Mr. T. Guess what, guess what, guess what?
Oh, well, hello, Elmo. Chào, Elmo.
Mr. T, Mr. T. Guess what, guess what?
Before you say anything, let's learn about greetings, okay? So when I say ciao Elmo, you're gonna say ciao Tai Tuan. Can you do that?
Yes, of course I can. Do you know why?
Why, Elmo?
Because Elmo is yoy.
Oh, yes, Elmo Yoi. Don't mind, that is correct. Okay, ready? We're gonna try. Ciao Elmo.
What am I supposed to say?
Oh, sorry. When I say ciao Elmo, you say ciao Tai Tuan. Okay, are you ready?
Oh, okay. Sorry, I forgot.
Right. Ciao Elmo.
Ciao, Tai Tuan.
Ah, very good. Yoi, Elmo. Good job.
Yay! Let's do that one more time.
Okay, sure, fine. Okay, ready? Ciao, Elmo.
Ciao, Tai Tuan.
Okay, all right, Elmo. You don't have to say it like that. Oh my goodness. All right. Hey, let's learn the sounds of the Vietnamese alphabet. Are you ready? You want to try?
Yes. Elmo likes to learn Vietnamese.
Okay. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to say the sounds of the letters, and you're going to just repeat after me, okay? A, B, G, Y. D, E, G, H, I. Kalama. N, O. Okay, giỏi Elmo. Apagua. Rashata. Uva. Sa, I. Yes, that is correct. Elmo Yoi. Very good. Good job, Elmo. I'm very proud of you. Hey, guess what?
What?
There's a song to this. You want to try to learn the song?
But you're not a very good singer.
Yes, I know, Elmo. You don't have to be a good singer to know the song. You just have to kind of sing the song to know the sounds of the Vietnamese alphabet. That's all. So I will go ahead and sing first, and then you can sing after me. Okay?
Is Elmo yoy?
Yes, Elmo is Yoi. All right, here we go. A ba ca ya da e ga I ca la ma na ho pa qua ra sha ta va sa I.
Wow! Mr. T, you are yawn? Okay. Elmo's turn. Elmo wants to sing.
Oh, okay. All right. Get ready. Here we go. Wow, that was very good singing, Elmo. Well, I think that's it for today. Tomorrow we will learn about the accent marks of the Vietnamese language. Okay? All right. Good job, Elmo. I'm very proud of you.
Learning Vietnamese is so much fun. Let's sing the song together, Mr. T.
Oh, okay, sure.